Welcome back with Stacy and George from the Town of Perrington Parks Department. Today we're going to be teaching you how to prune hydrangeas, and with us we have some handy tools. 2 hand pruners, a flashlight in case you want to garden at nighttime, folding saw, and a trowel. Thank you, George, for putting that stuff together. We're going to be taking our hand pruners and going over to some oak leaf hydrangea. Grab your pruners, George. So this is oak leaf hydrangea that we have right here, and you can always tell if the stem is alive by just taking your thumb and seeing if it's still green. And if you see that green, then you know that branch is still alive. When you're pruning oak leaf hydrangea, you want to make sure that you're going above a set of buds, and these are the buds that you can see right here. They're real fuzzy. You see them, George? Here's another set down here on a smaller branch. So if you have oak leaf hydrangea, you want to take your pruners and go above the buds.
I want to open this. I want to open this.
And make a cut.
I want to open this.
Hold on a second, George.
Okay.
If you have Mophead hydrangeas, those are the ones that have the larger ball shape. Those will bloom mostly on old wood. There are some varieties that bloom on new wood these days. And you want to start to wait until you see some growth coming from these plants. When you see the buds start to open up and turn a little bit green, you want to take your hand pruners and cut above a nice healthy set of 2 of them. They are lateral, horizontal right next to each other, or opposite buds. And at that point you make the cut. You do want to make sure that the cut is somewhat even, so when the plant starts to grow, it is just one uniform shape. Your oak leaf hydrangeas, which is one right behind me here, you can actually prune them in the late winter into spring is a wonderful time, along with your Mophead hydrangeas, along with the Annabelle hydrangea, which is a white Mophead. What's wonderful about the Annabelle hydrangea is that you are able to prune that one down to the ground. You could actually run it over with a bulldozer and it will come back and bloom for you. That is an excellent hydrangea for full shade areas. It also comes in a lace cap form. Yes, honey. And from that, it will grow from the ground up, bloom for you, usually a white color, and then it does have a nice lime green shade, which is good for fresh flowers or dry cut flowers. The only other hydrangea that's out there is a PG hydrangea, which will come in a shrub or a tree form. That's a panicle shaped blossom. That is a white cone, usually comes in a blush pink color or fades to that. Those can also be pruned this time of the year, and you want to go back to a reasonable size that you want depending on the growth, depending on the variety you have, and cut above those stems again. PG hydrangeas usually have a blossom that lasts through most of the winter, and you can remove that at this time. If you have any questions about pruning, please feel free to email me at S as in Sam, P as in Peter, I, D as in David, I, S as in Sam, I, at perrington.org, and I'd be happy to answer all of your pruning questions. Thank you and have a great day.